Hey everybody, I thought I'd just make you a short video that might help you with your names and chemical formulas for ionic compounds. First, I started by labeling the main group elements on the periodic table, the S block and the P block, as groups 1A through 8A. Most of these groups have permanent charges, so permanent ionic charges. Group 1A, if you remember, one valence electron for all the elements in that group, and so they are always going to form ions that have a +1 charge. Group 2A, two valence electrons, those will be lost. We'll get ions that have a +2 charge. A +3 charge for group 3A elements. We skip 4A. 5A elements, they have 5 valence electrons, and so they will gain 3 electrons to bring that up to 8 for that octet rule. -2 charge for group 6A, -1 charge for group 7A. The transition metals, this area here in the middle, often have more than one possible charge, except for zinc, silver, and cadmium are the three I'd like you to know. These elements have just one possible charge. Zinc and cadmium are each a +2 charge, and silver is a +1 charge. So when you write out the names, you won't need Roman numerals in the names for zinc, cadmium, and silver, just like for groups 1A, 2A, 3A. But other transition metals that have more than one possible charge will need a Roman numeral in the name. Tin and lead in group 4A have more than one possible charge. We did not assign a charge to group 4A, so tin and lead are going to need a Roman numeral in their names as well to denote the charge. Okay, I hope this helps.